4 is equal to 0. Again apply ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac under root by 2a. This formula I am applying here. Here x square coefficient a, m square coefficient means 1. A is equal to 1. X is equal to b. M is equal to 2 means b is equal to 2. Constant 4. Now x is equal means m is equal to minus b means 2 plus or minus b square 2 square minus 4. A value is 1 and c value is 4 by 2. A value is 1. M is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 square means 4. 4 4 is 16 by 2. So m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 12 by 2. Same m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 4 into 3 into minus 1 I am writing by 2. M is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 4 root 3 into root minus 1 by 2. M is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 4 means 2 root 3 root minus 1 value is I by 2. M is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 I by 2. 2 I will common. 2 here minus 1 is left plus or minus root 3 I by 2. 2 get cancelled. M is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3 I. Therefore M is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 I one time minus 1 minus root 3 I one time and more values 1 plus root 3 I 1 minus root 3 I and 2 minus 2. Total we have 6 values, m values.